Hunter's here to do a Huntervention on my porch. Whenever we entertain, my husband really likes to grill, and my kids love to spend time outside on our porch.
We decided to go with the Mill Valley in a brand new color, indigo blue. Just like your favorite pair of denim, indigo goes with everything. It's a pop of color, but it really does act like a neutral in the space. Kristen already had some great pieces for us to work with. She had this gorgeous herringbone table, these awesome metal chairs, which we just spray painted. With repurposing some furniture and adding a new ceiling fan, you can get a fresh new look.
Oh, I love this. I love the color. It looks way better. I feel like it's going to be more of like a conversation piece.
The Mill Valley is a damp rated fan, which means it can be put in any covered patio space.
The weather's getting nicer. I'm excited to be able to have meals outside with my family under my Hunter fan.